Hey guys, so I hope you're well. Today I just wanted to quickly talk about the 3 different stocks that are going to be on my watch list for 2021. Now I do want to clarify before you watch on, these are by no means at all the highest possible growth stocks. These are just the top 3 that I think I'm going to want to invest in 2021. However, I'd still recommend that you watch because maybe you might decide to invest in one of these during 2021 as well. Now I do want to state I'm a rather conservative investor because being young I don't have a hell of a lot of money and I don't want to lose a lot of that money. So because of that I really do want to stick with longer term blue chip companies, ETFs, those sort of safer compound interest type investments. So based off my personal criteria, the very first stock I would like to invest in is A2 Milk. Now A2 Milk, as you may know, has the code A2M, and this company actually sells, well, milk. They also sell formulas and nutritional powders. Now these are all meant to have some sort of A2 protein in them, and it's meant to apparently make it easy to digest. However, the reason that I believe in this company is because it's obviously performed very, very well. As many of you would probably know, it's one of the stronger Australian companies over the past 5 years. Actually, yeah, wow, I just checked on my computer and it says that it has actually returned 1000% over the last 5 years, which is incredible for an Australian company. Now this has actually gone down in value and I now believe it is undervalued due to the different border restrictions with exporting. And I think that this is mainly prevalent with China as they are one of the larger consumers of powdered formula. So I just personally see this as an opportunity to get into this company because it's something that I think is going to stay strong in future, and once this is all tidied up with COVID, I do believe this is going to go very strong. Now going straight into the second stock, and this is Woolworths. Now I'm assuming if you live in Australia you would know what Woolworths is. The code is WOW, and this is a very, very strong company as it is one of the more blue chip companies on the ASX. Now to me this is very attractive because it is a very safe bet. We're always going to need Woolworths. It's something that we know is going to stay healthy. So in my opinion this is a great conservative investing opportunity, and I think that this would be something worth getting into just now that we're going into summer. Because I believe that they also have their alcohol, and that is going to be quite strong. People are going to be partying, people are going to be celebrating. This was a very, very hard year to go through, and I think a lot of people are now very happy that restrictions are easing and we're going to get back into the swing of things. However, when saying that, this is still a very, very safe bet because even if COVID doesn't fix up, we're going to have stockpiling. So either way, it's going to be a win-win in my opinion. Now this obviously isn't as exciting of an opportunity because there's not too much involved in it. We just know that it's a very strong classic Australian company, and it's something that I just believe is going to be worth investing in. Just similar to BHP and other companies like that, there's nothing too special, but it's just something we know is going to deliver a very decent return. And someone like myself, which is just trying to collect a few strong companies, this is definitely an opportunity that I'd like to take. So I would say that this is a very likely investment for me, and this is definitely going to be on my watch list. Now coming through with my third stock which I'm going to have on my watch list. This is one that I'm actually very excited for and I think a lot of people may be purchasing. Now this is the BetaShares S&P 500 Equal Weight ETF, and this is going to be equal weight to the S&P 500. Now this is actually an upcoming transfer from an old stock which used to be the top 1000 US stocks. So this is going to be a little bit of a switch and the management fees are going to come down. It all looks, in my opinion, quite exciting. I think that diversification is very important, especially with someone like me, which is going to be holding on to this long term. I do want a few little bits of diversification to keep me safe and hopefully keeping my portfolio healthy. Now the reason I'm looking forward to this is because it is going to allow me to have access to a diverse portfolio of US equities. And I actually really see that as a nice opportunity. I've actually been rather interested in US stocks and I've wanted to invest in them for a while. So I think that by investing in this, I will get a very safe and easy entrance into the US market without having to have sleepless nights to be watching what's going on. Actually, I'd like to hear down below, if you're in Australia, do you invest in any US stocks? Is it a little bit difficult with the time difference and getting the news? Or let me know, is it easy to trade and easy to invest in? I know that with new platforms like Stake, it is incredibly easy now to be investing in US stocks. However, I do want to know just that background research, is that a little bit difficult or is it not? So there you have it, guys. Those are my 3 shares I am going to be keeping on my watch list for 2021. I'm excited about all 3 of these and I really do see these as investing opportunities for myself. Actually, let me know down below, what 3 companies are you looking forward to? I know there's a lot that are going to apparently have growth, so let me know, what are your thoughts? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you'd like to support me and if you'd like to see more videos like these. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.